What's going on, my good people? Paul here. Just want to thank you for joining me today. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I just want to talk to you about this free live training call that has changed my life, that has made me a whole bunch of money. This training call has changed my life for the better. I've been making like 5 to 6 figures from this live training call. With this live training call, they help you with everything. They teach you about affiliate marketing, and they give you all the tools. They give you, it's like a business in a box. They give you everything that you need. So I'm asking you to please join this training call, and I guarantee you they will change your life. I've been making real good money ever since I got on the training call, and they just helped me a lot. And they give you everything from their whole business. They help you get sales. They teach you how to teach you how to market. They have you put the pixels on the sales page to get traffic, to get unlimited traffic. And with traffic, when you have traffic, there is sales. So they just give you everything. They give you all their marketing material and everything that almost guarantees you that you're gonna make sales. Now let me go to my Warrior Plus account and show you guys. Ever since I got on this call, I've been just making money constantly. So I'm about to log into my Warrior Plus account. It's taking a little bit. Okay, this is me again. Taking a little time, and here we go into the so let's see. Okay, a little slow. Let me load up for a minute, and this training call is very powerful and definitely will help you out a lot. So we're gonna wait till this loads. My computer's a little slow. I have a lot of stuff on this computer. A lot of things on this computer. So here goes name stack feed, plus that's me. And let's see, let's go to affiliate, let's go to my dashboard. And guys, I made $545. In the last 7 days I made $554. So I've been making money. Like ever since I got on this training call, guys, I've been making money. So this is my account. This is powerful. Let me refresh the page for you, and there you go, it's still there. Let me refresh the page one more time. Reload. Refresh the page one more time. And voila. So I've been making money so far, and they have been a big help. So I'm gonna leave the link down below to join this free training call, so you can start making money as soon as today. So guys, please, I encourage you to take this seriously, because you can make a lot of money. So please join this free live call, and you won't regret it. It will change your life just like it changed my life. Alright? Thank you for listening, and please subscribe to the channel if you're new. hit that like button, hit that bell notification, and I'm out. Peace.